Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Numan here, and today we are going to discuss a topic related to the null reference exception problem. So basically these are the problem mostly beginners arises during their development. So how it works basically. So the main reason can be the null reference. Let's start the game and see again. So right now we have a game start here and we are unable to click on the button. Basically if we see the null reference problem, so here we can see the object reference not set to an instance of an object. So if we open that problem, then it will highlight us here on the play button basically. So we have to make sure that if we have any game object, you can say uh, any button or any text or any type of transform game object, if it's public, then we have to make sure that we have to add that reference inside the script. For example, in the game manager we can see that we have not play button reference attached here. So what we are going to do, we are going to attach the reference here. So if we attach the reference, then we can see if we play again, then we are not getting the issue related the null reference. Basically it's index out of range. So this issues arises when we have a array. For example, let me show you the script basically. So where is the script attached basically? Yeah, so this is the script attached. Here we can see there is a characters array here and it's empty basically. So for example, if we add elements and try to play again, then we can see that we have a unassigned reference exception. So that's the same problem, the null reference issue here. Basically we not attach the reference here. So what we are going to do, we are going to assign the reference here, right? So if we attach the reference here and we try to play again, then let's see if we got a problem or not. Yeah, right now we are not getting any problem related to the null reference. So mostly when we are working on the game manager where we have to add a sequence or add a platformer game, then we use the spawner or spawn manager, or we add a game manager or the player manager or the switcher script. So there we got mostly these type of errors. So this is how you can fix that. Basically you have to make sure that first you debug the error, and after that when you open it, you will see the script, and if you go to the script you will see the issues arises where. Okay, then you need to make sure that you go to the script and check all the references if the references are there or not. Or sometime we have a prefab, and when we make our for example, this is my game manager. If I try to make it a prefab, yeah, here this is my game manager script, and when I try to make it a prefab, then here we can see the references are missing. So sometime we have a scenario where we have to use the prefab. So then we need to make the logic accordingly. So that's the tutorial for today, and see you in the next video.